just a young from the 8-1. Yeah, I'm just a young from the 8-1. Yeah, I'm just a young from the 8-1. Yeah, I'm reppin' my city. 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 I'm putting on. I'm reppin' my city. 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 I'm putting on. Look, back like I never left.
The way the team started coming here was me and a friend of mine. My guy, his name is Coach Elroy. Everybody knows him as Elroy. He was up here with his son, 7 years old, man. I took my team to the same organization he was coaching at. So I started training. I guess I can give him credit for that. I started training the way Lil Royal was training. So let's say the Seahawk training method, right? He invited me and my son here to, you know, check out what him and his son was doing, you know? So I'm not thinking anything of it. His son's on the younger division. I'm like, man, all right, man, let's go work with this little dude. You know what I mean? This ain't, you know, this ain't nothing.
I remember the first time I brought Z here, man. You know what I'm saying? I was brought him, told him to bring his sons out here to work with my boy. My boy a little younger than them.
Everything is cool for, you know, for the first 10 minutes. I'm like, hey, man, you know, we about to, you know, finish with the rough stuff, and then we're gonna get to the. This is what I'm thinking.
I guess I thought that he was gonna come here. It's gonna be easy little drill, easy little workout.
Dude is 7 years old at the time. He's up here running up these hills. He's doing 200, 300 push-ups a day, and you know, my son could not hang with him whatsoever. The coach, he tried to kill my son. He really did.
Got up here, them boys almost died. Had the boys throwing up, crying, wanting to go home.
He tried to kill him. You know, we never trained like that. You know, the most running we did was track and field, and my son, you know, he'd run like a quick 100.
Coach Z thought it was too much for him today.
He tried to kill my son that day.
You know what I'm saying? But he came back, man, and his boys got strong as hell. They out here doing their thing, man. So, you know, we out here working.
At that time, I was just thinking, you know, like, damn, he's doing this with one kid. We got to get the whole team up here.
The first time I came to the hills, I thought I was gonna die. Literally doing laps, running miles. It was scary. My first time coming to the hills, it was like, I thought I was gonna like pass out because like I kept sweating, my chest started hurting because like I had asthma. But yeah, I felt like I was gonna throw up, and we were like doing ladders and stuff that I never seen before because like I never played football. Then we were running up the hills and I thought I just couldn't do it no more, but I kept getting pushed by the coaches, so I finished.
So my first time going to the hills, I thought I was gonna go to heaven that day. I was literally so tired, I was sweating, I was like, I felt like a zombie. Like I literally felt like I was dying. I threw up. I have to admit that, it was horrible. But it was one of the hardest things.
My first time coming to the hills, I was like sweating, I was tired, but I was trying to achieve something, so I just kept working.
My first time coming to the hills is me and Coach Z. I was tied up the hill when I was going up the hill, and like I was mad because Coach kept pushing me, but I was like, man, you do it, like you go through it. I was like, and it was like, yeah.
The first time coming to the hills, once I saw the mountains, I thought I was gonna pass out. And then I started crying because I was too lazy to do the work. That's all I had.
You threw up. Don't skip that. You threw up.
And then I threw up.
Stay low to the hill. Get the knees up. Big arms. Get low. Bro, get low. Low, low. I track low. Set. Go. Full speed. Come up. Next group. Come on. Hey, be ready. Let's go. Come back down. Let's go.
Damn.
We got 10 straight. Set. Get low. All the way down. 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 Hand on the floor. Let's go. Set. Go. Full speed. Get the knees up. Knees up. Knees up. Knees up. Let's go. Come on. Come back. We're waiting for you, Tabari. It's real fast. Real fast 10 sprints. Real fast. Let's go. Come on. Get low. Tabari, wait for you. Come on. Get low. Set. Get low, Tabari. Get the knees up. Drive the knees up the hill.
This one's gonna go to the back.
Big knees. Big knees. Big knees. Set. You back up, Tabari. You too hard. Stop cheating. Set. Go. Low. Big knees. Get up there. Get up there.
Oh, you don't want to do it.
Coming back. Coming back. Go. Set. Let's group. Let's go.
You guys, we'll move Angel up on the next group. Hey, Kevin got up out of here, huh? Who threw up? Kevin threw up? Hey, he left. I know that.
Yeah.
Set.
Put it in. And when I have this,
Go. Hey, why y'all still up there? What are you doing?
It's the fun part of the hill. Other stuff is
Let's go.
warming up.
Set. Tie your shoes, man.
Let's go.
Hurry up. You sit up there the whole time. I tie your shoes up there the whole time. Stop wasting time.
Tabari, tie your
Get back to the second group, man.
Hey, Tabari, tie your shoes.
Go. Get off the hill. Hey, you better work for real now. I'm gonna double you up.
Let's go.
Set.
Come on, push yourselves.
Go. Pick your knees up. Next.
RJ bass on the beat.
Let's go, Nate. Finish food.
Come on, Nate. Forward.
You was something that I never thought that I could be without. You told me that I was everything you want to be about. I packed my bag so many times, never leaving now. Now I feel like that was something that you probably needed now. Hey, my dude, you took the cheaper route. Crystal clear, I know you see it now. Damn them hoes if they was speaking out. Damn it so, but you know my scars. Question me like why you go this hard. Took you places just to show you off. We was never meant to go this far.
My name is Michael Boyd, and I wear number 7.
Nobody. Ooh. Some niggas go to college, some go to jail, some make it into heaven, ooh, some make it into hell. Nobody wanna lose, nobody wanna fail, nobody wanna die, nobody wanna care. The things we do just to make it through. Ooh, and nobody wants.
My expectations for this season are donating every team and winning that shiny toy. You already know. They chose me to be the captain because if they're not doing right, I'll tell them to do right. Tell them what they got to do. Hey, you guys.
Just right here.
Hey, you guys, pretend that's the sideline. So you're close to the sideline, just like that. Come here, when you go that way, keep in the same hand. Turn, then you switch. I've been playing for Coach Z for 4 years now, since I was 8. I'm a fumbling. This grass got my face itching. Don't fumble.
The concept is to open your hand wide.
You acting brand new. Washington's mean nothing to you. Same way with us.
Get enough work.
You got enough work. Yeah, he out, man.
Yo, what's up? I'm Thaddeus Mixon. They call me TJ Mixon. We all just jail, and it was just honestly really dope.
Ready for something brand new, yeah. I'm with the homies, we getting out. The whole game, we been in the house. I said I did it, no cap, it's a fact, little homie, just look it up. I'm from Chicago, in LA, I get dope. Since 5, I've been dope. If you laughing, ain't no joke. Let's get lit. And yeah, you know the vibes with my clique.
Yeah, I do a lot of acting and music stuff. You guys can follow me on Instagram at Papa J Show, PAPAJAY Show. And yeah, make sure y'all check me out on Disney Plus. My movie's gonna be coming out. Actually, a football movie too.
It. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go.
Coach Z is really cool. I mean, he's like a cool uncle, you know what I mean? And he knows when to like make us. He knows how to push us in the right way, you know what I mean? And yeah, I just honestly can't wait till this season.
Use them, okay? Get better with them. Okay, we don't have so many kids that we can have a whole bunch of DBs out here. So use the hurdle as a press corner, okay? We working on our release off of there. Take it serious. Just like you take catching serious, y'all be so concentrated when that ball coming. Eyes be getting wide. Y'all need to be right here focused. You gotta beat them here before you get them there, okay? Y'all understand?
Yes, Coach.
Let's go. When you are wide out, y'all got press. When y'all inside, y'all playing slot, ain't nobody gonna be able to touch y'all. Y'all coming from behind the line. Let's go, speed it up.